Yes, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in again on the Rolling Heritage channel. I really hope you guys are doing great. Rolling Heritage is now official. It's a full-on Dutch company now. I changed my woodworking company to Rolling Heritage. The name official, everything else is officially done. I'm a car restoration company and I want to build Volvos with you guys. So please subscribe and like. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, brand new Rolling Heritage video. Thank you for tuning in again. And I have some very exciting news. I didn't do very much on the Volvo 240 project, but I'm very busy with the 940 daily driver. I'm sure you guys know that car, and if you look on my Instagram, Rolling Heritage, you will see it too. But this is it. This is mine 1992 Volvo 940 Sedan. Not a turbo, just naturally aspirated. Straight four, just that simple Volvo red block. I do have a turbo girl. I also did one upgrade recently, as you can see. That is a original. This is a original Nardi personal, as you can see over there, personal. And on the back of this, it says Mont 11 of 1978. So this is a very original classic Nardi, which I got from my my boss. So yeah, this came out of an Aston Martin DBS from 1969. And yeah, I made it fit to the Volvo. I have the hub over here with an adapter and nice horn button, which was very hard to get. And there is a sticker coming very soon with the Rolling Heritage in brushed copper, so it will match like the brown of the wood. That's very nice. But yeah, we have some very exciting other things for this car. I've already replaced my door speakers with brand new Pioneers. I did that when I got the car. Those speakers are not connected anymore, those on the top of there, because those are blown. But I have an idea for those too, but that's not going to happen very soon. I do have a set of new speakers for the rear. I don't have rear speakers right now, so I need to pull some wires and connect those. But I have new speakers, I have new horns, because my horns are just broken. So that's very sad. But I have a very cool thing for this car, which I know will transform this car. Actually 2 things. Actually 5 things. Let's show them. So of course, this is my car, and I have these ugly steel rims over here, and my Volvo 240, which is a bit of a garbage can right now, but just picture that away. I have also these wheels. These wheels came off this car. So these wheels came off my 240, and these are just gorgeous in my opinion. So when I put them like this, look at this, 15-inch Belgian made. I have no idea what kind of wheels these are, but some guy told me these are MSW or something. And yeah, I have all 4 of them. This one is the bad one, so this one has a lot of curb damage, but although the paint was very bad, they are still pretty decent, and they are not crooked at all, so they're pretty straight wheels, especially for the curved one. So yeah, these are going to go on the car, and I'm going to paint these metallic bronze. So it's going to be a dark brown metallic color on these wheels. I think if you look at the car, imagine those wheels and then in a dark brown metallic color. I think that will look gorgeous. It wouldn't look too sporty, it wouldn't look too stock either, but I think we are going in the right direction. And then the big masterpiece, look at this. This is one of the most hardest to find items of a Volvo 940 sedan, and I got one very cheap. I do need to paint it, but the paint is on the way right now. Look at this. We have a spoiler, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, I found a very original Volvo 940 rear spoiler. It's in the body color already, but the clear coat is just coming off. But look at that. That will just transform my complete rear end of the car. Alright guys, so this is the rear spoiler for the 940. As you can see, the paint is on. Went pretty well. It's a long time ago for me for spray painting with these kind of cans. Normally sprayed with other brands. But yeah, it works great. So this thing looks pretty dope. I do have some little tiny spots. One on the corner over there. And I think there was one in the front here. But I think those will like fade away when the clear is going on. So yeah, I think clear and throw it on the car. So ladies and gentlemen, second layer of clear coat is on. Not exactly how I want it to go, but this is also not paint I'm used to. I'm used to just 1K clear coat, I mean. But yeah, the 2K clear coat works a bit different. But yeah, careful about the dust. It looks pretty shiny, and this is a buffable clear coat, so we can like polish this one. So ladies and gentlemen, the spoiler is finally on the car. I'm super happy how it looks. The thing I also did was paint my emblems on the back of the car. So the Volvo emblem and the 940 GL are also gold right now. The same golden color with what the wheels will be when they are finally finished. The bad thing about the wheels is I can't sandblast them. The paint is just way too hard, so I can't get through. The thing I need to do now is bring them to a place so they can like chemical treat them or something to get that old paint off. But when that's done, the wheels will be painted in the same gold as the emblems. And just show you guys, it's very bad weather outside. We have just had a storm that was super bad. In my house, something is really broke. But yeah, the car is looking great, so here it is. It's sad that it's already dark, but I will throw in some beautiful shots tomorrow. Yeah. So I'm doing everything I can, but new videos are coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm living my dream, and yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, that will help me out very much. Also like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.